Hello, I received this iPad 6 GM board from a local repair shop here. He did try to change the charging port. You can see the new solder, and he just like tried the first pins. You can see some missing pads over there. Then he stopped. That's a good. He didn't make more damage. So he did bring the board with no screen, no battery, and he got me this TriStar tester so I can test the board after we change the charger port. So let's do it. I'm replacing the charging port, and it was just two missing pins in the ground. So that's the two missing pins. So I'm trying to test it with this adapter here. I plug it to the USB-C from here, and I plug it to here, push the power button. So I don't know how this one is need to be tested. But what I can do is, this is the way I don't use this gadget. So if I plug it without the battery, plug the motherboard. Let me check this one. This is a hospital. So if I plug it without the battery, just keep watching the numbers here. You're going to see the amps is go up here, 0.6 or 60, 80, then go 0. So it's go up to 80 milliamp and this go 0. That means the TriStar, it try to send some power to the battery. The battery is not there, it's go to 0, and it keep trying like that. When you see the TriStar trying to send the power to the battery, it means the TriStar is good. So this one, it should be good. But I do have a board, or I do have an iPad. This iPad, it has no power. So I'm still trying to figure out why it has no power, and I will share it with you. So let's plug the charger, and I'm gonna push in the battery, and you can see we have 1 amp. So the iPad is on now. Yeah, the iPad is charging. We have almost 1 amp.